This is a standard room, ocean view balcony. Let's get out of the way first. Our luggage hasn't gotten here. But this is actually big enough to sit on. A big window. This is what they consider a king bed. But as you can see in the middle here, it's two twins to make a king. But you have a couch that turns into a bed. That's where Drew would be sleeping tonight. If you got 4 people in the room, there's different rooms where right here another bed will drop out of the ceiling. We've had those most other cruises we've done with the kids. Kylie's not with us, she's off skiing. But here's your main area. Comes with a little stool, plenty of storage. Storage. Mirrors to see how good you look, or how good you don't look. Little TV, and I'm pretty sure it turns. And you come with a little fridge, so if you bring your own drinks, it's kind of like a hotel fridge. Nothing in it. But the heat coming off of that, because of that in the back. And your stool to sit in front of your mirrors, which I'm guessing would probably be right here. Some more storage areas. Come with a hair dryer, so you don't have to pack your own. Decent drawers. Decent storage. Plus you have a full-length mirror. Another closet with a little bit more hanging area. And the last storage area. Not bad. Ship guide telling us our muster station is D. As you notice, as on some of the newer ships, we don't have to keep our key in there to keep the lights on. Here's a bathroom. Standard shower. Standard toilet. And pretty much the same bathroom you'll get on most ships, unless you're in a suite. But all your essentials, your mirror, vanity mirror up there too. Not bad. And that is your shower curtain. But that's pretty much it. That is a little storage under there, which I'm sure the pillows and the bedding for that is. You have a little stand next to the bed on each side. You can put all your luggage underneath the bed, but this is a standard room. Ocean view. And actually, if it was a cabin, the room would be a little smaller, and that'd be your, I mean, not a cabin, but a balcony. Your balcony would be over there. That's it. So overall, I'd say it's a decent room. We're only here for a 4-night trip, so it's gonna work. 3 of us, 2 in the bed, 1 in the couch bed. Recommend it. We've been on more Carnival cruises than anywhere else, so we're used to Carnival. Hope you liked it.